Today, we're installing and reviewing the OtterBox film screen protector for the S22 Ultra. Right, to start with, you'll need to turn off your device so the screen does not light up during the installation, as this would make it more difficult to see dust on the display. In the box, it comes with a screen protector, which is attached to this installation frame, a wet wipe, a microfiber cloth, a dust sticker, and an application card. Now the device is off, we'll need to clean the screen, so get the wet wipe and wipe the display all over. Thankfully, OtterBox have provided a big wet wipe to make this easier for you. Now, you'll need to grab the microfiber cloth and wipe the screen dry. Next, get the large dust sticker and dab it on the screen to lift and remove any dust. Move the device around in the light to ensure you have not missed any. Now, you'll need to grab the installation frame, which will line the screen protector up perfectly with the device, so you get a perfect installation every time. Extend the frame and place your phone inside. Now, remove the back from the screen protector. Then stretch it over the phone and place the tab on the top of the installation tray. Now, grab your application card and push it down on the screen protector, then slide it to the top of the phone while pressing downwards simultaneously. This needs to be done in one swift motion to ensure no bubbles get trapped underneath. Now you can keep pushing bubbles towards the edge of the screen to remove them. Once you're satisfied, you can slowly remove the outer protective layer. Now, you can use a microfiber cloth to make sure the edges are stuck to the curved screen. Once you're happy, you can turn your phone on. We recommend adding your fingerprint in again to ensure it works as it should. I have to say, I really like this film screen protector. It has great coverage for the top and edges of the screen. However, the bottom is a little bit short. What I instantly notice about the film screen protector is that the film feels remarkably like glass in comparison to some film screen protectors that often feel a little bit too grippy on your thumb. I've also noticed no slowdown with the fingerprint reader, so nothing to worry about in that department. Using the screen protector with various cases, I've not had any issues with the edges lifting. This is due to the high quality adhesive that OtterBox have used, and the fact that the film is so thin in comparison to glass screen protectors. If you're looking for a fantastic, easy to install film screen protector, then look no further than this OtterBox one, which is available to buy in the links below. If you've enjoyed this video, please drop us a like and consider subscribing.